All right, A-Team, here's the finished service for this house soft wash here in Folsom. Let's go and take a look. Windows even gleaming. Drying, it should dry streak free. Take a look right up in there. We'll go ahead and remove this now. Take that up right there. And look all in here. Nice and clean. You remember how this was initially. You see that? Gleaming, sparkling white now. Let's take a look right here. Now we did have, I have to zoom in there. Most of that, I don't know if that was bird droppings or whatever that was, but it cleaned up pretty good. There's still a little bit, tiny bit that I can see that's stuck there. I'm thinking, unless that's just the stucco that needs to be painted right there. But anyhow, I mean, look at it. Superb. Superb, spectacular. Let's go ahead and take a walk around. I have some things back here I need to do, remove. Take a look from this angle, remember? All the way up to the top right there. And then as it's drying nice and clean. You can clean this. You can kind of see right here in the door. And with this door here, what this is, I'm not sure what these are right here. And there's it. Maybe those are, see if it comes up. It should have came off. Water stands or something. Come back and just walk around and wipe that. We'll wipe that right there, but you can see the door. I'll come back and I'll wipe that right there. Let's take a look around these windows here. Oh, they're shining. See around the frames of it, or initially all dirty. Stucco's all nice and clean, it's all fresh. Take a look from this angle here. Look at the windows gleam. Even the windows all gleaming and everything. All the way to the top. Oh, that sun's bright. It's shining bright back here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this off of here. Take this off. Tie this like this. This should just come off of here. Somewhat, let's see. 1 second. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let the plant go ahead and breathe again. 1 second. All right. Okay. And let's take a look on the side over here. We'll take it from this angle here. Look at it all the way from the top of there. Nice and clean. And then from this angle here, you can see the come back here. Nice, and everything's gleaming. Nice and clean. At the bottom, you get a look this way. Have a look at it. Looks really nice. All right. Well, that kind of concludes it. And look at the big patio door. The big patio door is nice and clean. If you look all around the frames and everything, nice and clean and sparkling, nice and shiny. All right, well, another supreme clean. Visit us at allterraine.com to schedule for your house soft wash, roof soft wash, gutter cleanings, dryer vent cleaning. You name it, we got you covered. Surface cleaning. Thank you.